Meet your new secret weapon for hydration and energy. Our turmeric infused electrolyte powder with pink Himalayan salt, coconut water powder, turmeric and powerful blend of key minerals that your body needs to improve your health at the cellular level. Whether you are an athlete pushing your limits or someone looking to improve their health, hydration is the key. Our turmeric infused electrolyte formula is packed with essential minerals like sodium from pink Himalayan salt, magnesium, potassium and trace minerals to keep your body in balance and performing at its best. It is designed to replenish the lost electrolyte and improve hydration at the cellular level. This blend helps you stay energized and hydrated throughout your day without the sugar found in most of the sports drink and energy drink. It doesn't even have caffeine, so it gives you the natural energy boost. Magnesium and potassium in the electrolytes support muscle recovery and energy production, perfect for athletes who need that extra push to train harder and recover faster. And for those on the weight loss journey, this formula helps reduce the craving by balancing sodium level, helping you stay on track without feeling deprived. Plus, we have infused it with the turmeric, known for its powerful anti-inflammatory antioxidant benefits, to give your body the extra support, no matter your fitness or health goal. Even if you are cutting calories or eating less, our electrolyte powder replenishes the nutrients you need, keeping your body fueled and ready to go. With every sip, you are not just hydrating, you are boosting energy, improving cellular health, and supporting your overall wellness. Feel the difference. Replenish, recover, and recharge with My Turmeric Boost Electrolyte Powder. This is one of its kind, hydration that works as hard as you do. It's perfect for athletes, for overall wellness, and if you are eating lower calories and trying to lose weight. It's going to improve your health, energy, and overall inflammation in your body.